So guys, this Stump eBay grinder here. I've had some sales going back to September the 11th. And today is, I think, the 24th. So I haven't been doing this every week. But anyway, on September the 11th, I sold a vintage 2006 South Carolina tag for $14.47. On September 14th, I sold a Superman hat with a Superman logo for $17.90. That's my net. On the 15th of September, I sold a 36 piece Allen wrench from Harbor Freight. Has the regular Allen wrench and metric for $18.77. Also on the 15th, I sold a little Matchbox toy flashlight police car for $11.84. $9.18 on Poshmark. I sold a size 3 shirt for $12. $9.22. I sold a Amazing 8 for $40.40 plush. And on $9.23, which was yesterday, I sold Peanuts lounge pants, size small, for $16.21. Like I say, that's the net. I have the monkey in here ready to ship. The lounge pants in there. So all total from the 11th through the 23rd, I have grossed $131.67. My shipping fees came to $33.49, which leaves $98.18 going in my bank. Some of it's already in there. So that's what I've done from the 11th to the 23rd. Which ain't, which is all right. Everybody's sales are down except for the fancy people that's got all these people working for them. But your everyday grinder or everyday person on eBay, their sales are down also. I'm going to put two pictures up, or plan on it. I'm also going to show all the pictures of them, but I'm going to put two pictures up of one toy from Goodwill that you definitely do not want to buy. I mentioned Goodwill on my last video I did, and not to be on their back, but I'm going to put this up to show you what trash they sell. If you haven't subscribed to my channel. Yeah, hit the like button and all that good stuff. And I'll add some pictures of this on what I sold, and we'll do the next video probably at the end of the month. We will check you later.